On a hot summer day, Joha was wandering through the market, looking for a tale to tell or something to make him laugh. Joha, light-hearted voice.
The smell of fresh bread, the voices of the vendors. The market is lively today.
Suddenly, a man yells angrily.
You thief! Give me back my coins!
Joha approached the commotion and saw an angry vendor pointing at a poor young man near the food stall.
He ate my food and didn't pay. This is cheating. Sir, I swear I didn't eat anything. I was just smelling the food from afar. But you stood there shaking your pouch like it had coins. You fooled me.
Joha, smiling calmly.
Easy, friend. What's your name?
A croon. And I don't play games when it comes to my business.
Well then, Akroon, if he tricked you with the smell of food, then I'll repay you with the sound of money.
Joha shakes a coin pouch. Jingling sound. Joha.
There. Did you hear that? That's the sound of coins. Now take it, just like he took your food scent.
What? Are you mocking me?
No, I'm being fair. Smell for sound.
The people around Joha burst into laughter. Akroon understood the message. Joha walking away.
Sometimes, justice has a sound, not a weight.